Kailangan nyo itali yung tao, isa lang yung na-aresto ninyo. Yung 12, hindi nyo kaya yung isang tao na arestuhin. Parang kami nung araw, isang batalyon nung inaresto kami. That's overkill. 60 or 65 or for whatever age. Itatali ninyo, nag-iisa lang ngayon na aresto ninyo. And that is very humiliating.
Tinali siya sa paa at saka sa kamay.
Pati sa paa?
Oh.
Iyan ko na sana namin siya ng concern na ayaw talaga niya
Parang
mag-pandit ko.
nag-drawing ka na ng senaryo dito, Dong.
Wala,
Drawing mo na, klaro.
Ako wala po akong kinikilingan dito. Unang-una, hindi ko kilala itong mga dumanhog. Hindi ko rin masyadong kilala itong mga uminal. Gusto ko lang, I'm here, we are here to know the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Okay, Major Sumagang. First question. Did you use violence when you made the arrest?
Ilagay ako nito.
No, sir.
No. Ba't kailangan itali sa wheelchair si Mayor? At lagyan ng malong. Lagyan ng malong? Ang muka.
Sir,
Okay, before that, before you answer my question, how many were you when you apprehended or arrested Mayor Dumanhog?
Sir, yung alam ko lang, sir, yung sa aking mga tawan, sir, sa Bonifacio Municipal Police Station, sir, we are 16 during that time, sir. And then,
You
yung
were 16,
iba po,
including yourself?
yes, sir.
And you were the lead?
Yeah, I am the official in charge of Bonifacio Municipal Police Station,
Alright.
sir.
Bakit kinakailangan itali?
Sir, hindi po kami yung nagkuha kay suspended mayor sa taas, sir.
Okay. Ano?
Hindi po kami yung nagkuha doon kay mayor sa taas, sir.
Sino kumuha?
Yung taga, taga PDRA mo, sir.
Tiga?
PDRA mo, sir.
Sino yun?
Yung membro ng ICA, sir, led by Lieutenant Police Colonel Ampong, sir, retired PNP, sir.
Where is he? Yes. Interesado ako sino nagtali.
Yung tali po ang pag-uusapan yan, sir. Hindi tali yun ang ginagawa ko. Nag-uutos lang po ako ng mga kasama ko. Yung purpose doon, sinabi ko kanina, sir, as I said a while ago, ang purpose doon is to immobilize him from moving, to prevent him, because we are going downstairs.
Sang-ayon ba kayo sa kanyang mga rason? O meron pang ibang intensyon?
Para hindi siya kung anong balak niya.
Sa dami ninyo, si Major, regardless, General, 12 kayo,
yes,
nasa
sir.
taas, 16 sila na nasa baba, correct? Kailangan nyo itali yung tao, isa lang yung na-aresto ninyo. Yung 12, hindi nyo kaya yung isang tao na arestuhin. Parang kami nung araw, isang batalyon nung inaresto kami. That's overkill.
Sir, hindi nga sinabi ko na hindi namin tinali. Nilagyan lang naman yung sa pinhawakan namin ng kamay para yung kamay hindi magmarka yung
Di ba may
yung
picture
braso
kayo na
niya.
meron tali? Nasaan?
Yung picture, ito yung pangtali kasi tinanggal na nila. Pero yung tali, may marka pa ito sa PDRA mo, property talaga ng province to. At saka, Senator, meron pa ding 2 tangkidigira doon.
Yung alin?
2 tangkidigira, yung armored vehicle ba ng Army? Tangkidigira.
Tangke de guerra.
Yes, meron. 2.
Kanino galing yung tangke?
Sa Army, to si Colonel Monhe.
Bakit nyo sinakay sa wheelchair?
Sir, that is the protocol of the PDRR when we are carrying patient. Although he is not a patient, sir. Hindi siya pasyente. Pero sa kalagayan po niya, kaya sinabi ko kanina kay Sir Bato na I'm really concerned with his health. Kaya pinagmamadali ko, hindi tinali, sir. Yung sinabi nila malong na tinabunan yung mukha, hindi yan totoo, sir. That is intended only of his chest para ma-immobilize kung moving na kasi masyado siyang sir eh. Tapos, we are going downstairs. Kung anong mangyari sa kanya, sir, sinabi ko.
Regardless, General. Pero 12 po kayo eh. Inaresto nyo, isang tao lang. Hindi nyo, pwede nyong akbayan yan o hawakan sa kamay yan. Hindi naman lalaban yan. 12 kayo. Anyway, Mayor, are you suffering from any medical condition?
Wala naman akong problema.
Ilan taon na kayo?
70 years old.
70 years old. Imagine, General, a 70-year-old person, a 70-year-old man is considered a senior citizen as against 12 personnel and 16 personnel downstairs. Kailangan nyo pa itali, kailangan nyo pa isakay sa wheelchair. You can kahit dalawa lang kayo. Kahit ako, isa lang. Kaya kong arestuin to. 70 years old na yan. Ba't kailangan nyo pang itali, i-wheelchair?
Mr. Chair.
Ito, Your
That's
Honor,
very humiliating.
Your Honor, Senator Jinggoy, ito yung mga ginamit pantali daw. Tinali siya sa paa at saka sa kamay.
Paa? Pati sa paa?
Oh,
Oh my God.
but claim ni Colonel
Ampong, sir.
Kampong is,
Ampong.
nilagyan lang daw yan doon para hindi magka-markings yung kamay kapag hinahawakan.
Hindi naman lalaban to. I mean, mag-isa lang siya. Ilan ba yung na-arresto nyo dito? Major?
Isa lang, sir.
Oh, isa lang.
Yes, sir.
And you're going to utilize 16 of your men and 12 stairs? And you're going to arrest only one person who is 70 years old? Regardless.
We are only providing police security that time, sir. Kasi yung kumuha doon, sir, is Sir Ampong sana.
But because what I do not like here, when you arrest a 70-year-old person, or 60 or 65, or for whatever age, itatali ninyo, nag-iisa lang ngayon na aresto ninyo. And that is very humiliating on their part. And he being a public official also. Wala na kayo respeto. Just because politics is in play, I do not care about the politics there. Dito lang tayo sa tama. Biruin nyo, 16, 12, 28 ang tauhan na aaresto rito sa
Isang unarmed.
70-year-old.
Unarmed. May baril ka ba, Mayor? May baril ka? At the time of the arrest?
Wala.
Unarmed.
Bakit ganon? I mean, yes, Governor.
Very much, the Honorable Senator, with the clearance of the chair.
Yes, you have the floor.
As a responsible officer who issued the executive order activating the incident command system, may request my incident commander to present the blow-by-blow account sa pagpasok doon sa loob ng opisina ng mayor in order to refute that the allegation of the complainant of the Dumanhog camp are not true. The presentation will also be substantiated with video which makita talaga
Yes,
doon.
yes, go. Ganito gawin natin. As I have said, tapusin muna natin ito sila. Then, kayo, si Kwan na naman.
Yeah.
Si General Villanueva na naman.
Because that will answer the questions of
Yes,
Yeah.
I am just
The good
concerned
senator.
on how the manner of the arrest was made.
yeah,
Okay?
that will
I do not care about your politics there.
No.
If he is guilty of corruption, so be it. Hulihin ninyo. Pero the manner how he was arrested
the presentation, Your Honor,
is questionable. Major Sumagang, bakit ang lead operation ay sa PDRR MDO, hindi yung mga pulis? Bakit sila Colonel Ampong? Ampong ba o tama? Bakit silang lead? Ba't hindi kayo?
Yes, sir. With the composition of the ICA, sir, during the issuance of the executive order from the provincial government, sir, nakalagay po
Isn't
doon,
it
sir.
the job of the police, not the PDRR MDO?
Yes, sir. Kasi ang nangyari doon, sir, na may order po yung government, provincial government, sir. So sila yung nang lead ng operation for the implementation of that order, sir. Pero yung territorial police, sir, is nandoon talaga kami, sir, for the maintenance of the peace and order, sir.
Is that legal? Legal ba yun? Na sila ang maglilid na operation?
Sir, nandiyan man po sa ano sir, yung nagpapalo po kami ng POP namin sir na with the implementations of any sir, resolutions or orders from the quasi judicial body sir. Yung police, the role of the police sir is very clear doon sir na for the maintenance of peace and order sir, and then with the observance of the maximum tolerance sir.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
I am the planning section chief of the incident management team of the Bonifacio
You are,
incident.
please state your name.
I am Fire Superintendent Gregorio S.L. Bambo.
Fire.
Yes, sir. Although
Okay.
I am the provincial director of the Bureau of Fire Misamis Occidental, but
Okay.
I was appointed as the planning section chief of the incident management team
Yeah.
for the information of everybody, and also para din unfair sa kabilang side, para din to support the statement of the Chief of Police of Bonifacio, because he is our safety officer. He is part of the incident management team. And then pursuant to Republic Act 101-201, the governor of any province is being mandated, directed, can activate an incident command system. That's legal po pursuant to Republic Act 121. Yan po ang in-implement namin sa Bonifacio incident. Lahat po dun po, sir, kanina pa kayo nagsabi, mga unknown person, sino-sino dyan, lahat po yun part ng overall organizational structure po ng incident command system. Now,
Okay, sige nga. You are countering the unknown persons.
yes, sir.
Sabihin mo mga pangalan ng mga unknown persons na yun.
Hindi, sir.
Kilala mo.
Sir, under sa incident command system, may structure, sir. Under the operation section chief, sir, nasa kanya lahat ng tao na yun, sir.
So,
Ang
sinong
list
chief
na yun.
nun?
Operation headed by, dalawa kasi yung chief at first, sir. Yung tao muna ni Colonel Monhe, then during that time, si Colonel Ampong, ang operation section chief. So, under him, sir, may mga personnel na in charge dun sa mga list. Lahat kami, sir,
Tanungin kita,
religiously.
yung trabaho na yun is purely law enforcement activity. Tanungin kita, yung pag-aresto kay Mayor
Yan-
ay law enforcement. Makinig ka. Purely law enforcement yun. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, part siya, sir, sa unified action, sir, sa
So,
tactical
sino
plan.
dapat ang mag-aresto?
Sila talaga ang in charge nun, sir.
May local police doon eh.
Yes, sir.
Kaya nga ang tanong ni Senator Jinggoy, bakit kailangan pa yung mga non-law enforcement people ang mag-carry out ng order kung gusto mo talagang arestuhin because merong binabayulit na batas si Mayor Dumanhog na meron namang police.
Sir,
Tingnan nyo, ganito ha. Without any malice, wala akong kuhan dito. Una lumalabas, umiiwas ang police. Tinatanong na sa video. Makita sa video. Ay, kuha man to. Operasyon ito ng ICS, ng PDRRMO. Wala kaming papel dito ang police. Wala kami maintenance of peace and order. So, totoo nga. Makita mo sa video, ang nagbasag sa salamin sa opisina ni Mayor, yung mga naka-black na naka-mask na mga tauhan ni General Villanueva na PDRRMO. Sila nagbasag, sila naglabas, according to Colonel Gampong, dinala nila, nilagay sa wheelchair at binaba, dinala sa ambulansya. Very clear yun na sila ang nag-operate. Pero pagdating sa pailan ng kaso, itong si Gampong was not around during the arrest. Bakit siya at saka si Bienes ang nag-execute ng affidavit na disobedience to persons of authority. Bakit kayo ang nag-execute na wala man kaya kang papel doon? Kayo ang nag-execute ng affidavit na kinasuhan ninyo. So, how can you be a credible arresting witness if you were not around sa pag-aresto? Mga sibilyan nag-aresto mga taga-ICS Wala man kaya kayo doon? O bakit kayo ang nag-file ng kaso ng resisting disobedience to person in authority, person of authority?
Your Honor, if I may. Sir, by the time that the suspended mayor was turned over to us, sir, by the...
Turnover nga, turnover
Yes,
sa
sir.
inyo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
O ngayon,
Ah,
may pinakita ka bang affidavit of arrest nitong mga civilian na taga-ICS? Ginamit nyo sa pag-file ng kaso? Wala. Di ba?
The violation of Article 151, sir, took place, sir, when the person of authority, sir, the complainant, sir, is already complaining us why that the suspended mayor did not undergo police procedure, sir. So therefore, sir, binalikan namin si mayor, sir, nandoon sa labas, sir, na with his lawyer, sir, na i-undergo na natin ang police process. Kasi pag hindi natin gawin to, may complainant doon sa loob, sir. And then they are trying to question us the procedure of the police in undergoing police process. Kaya nga doon, sir, the continuous refusal or disobeying of the suspended mayor to undergo police process, sir, that will another, sir, constitute another offense, which is the violation of Article 151, sir. Yun
So,
namin,
yung
namin, sir.
violation of Article 151, sinong arresting officer doon?
Kami na, sir.
Saan nyo inaresto?
Doon yung after na doon sa ano, sir, sa ambulansya na, sir, yung i-undergo na sana namin siya ng sir, na ayaw talaga niya
Parang nag-drawing ka na ng senaryo dito, Dong. Ha? Drawing mo na klaro, hindi ikaw nag-aresto sa taas. Ang basis sa pag-aresto doon sa taas is yung resisting disobedience to person in authority, na-aresto siya sa taas. Tapos ngayon, ikaw nag-execute ng affidavit na laban sa kanya.
No, sir.
For that case.
Yes, sir. The first offense committed by the suspended mayor is Article 237, sir, yung prolonging of powers and functions, sir.
Sinong complainant doon?
Si Police Colonel Ampong, sir.
Ha?
Si Police, siya nag-aristo, sir, but the complaining person, sir, is Attorney Ara Aquino, sir.
Siya ang nag-file ng kaso?
Yes, sir. Yes,
siya nag-execute ng affidavit?
Yes, sir. May affidavit po tayo, sir. Na-file po yun, sir, and then they are now on, sir, release for, sir, nagka-bail po sila, sir. Dalawang case po, sir, for violation of Article 237, sir, and...
Kuhan nyo na? In question, ha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Paano tinanggap ng piskal na hindi naman siya ang nag-aresto doon sa taas? Bakit tinanggap yung kanyang affidavit?
We are complying all the requirements for the inquest proceeding, sir.
Ikaw, tanungin kita, polis ka eh. Ikaw,
Yes, sir.
ikaw hippie doon eh.
Yes, sir.
Di ba ang nag-aresto dapat ang mag-execute ng affidavit kapag in-inquest ninyo yung isang akusado? Oh. Bakit walang affidavit na sinabit yung mga taga-ICS? Sila man kaya nag-aresto doon sa taas?
Sir, Police Colonel Ampong, sir, has executed affidavit of arrest.
Meron siyang affidavit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, sandali lang.
Yes.
How many times, Governor, if I may, how many times have you activated the ICS? Is this the first time?
This is the first time, Your Honor. And as a matter of fact, this is the first time also I've learned about the ICS when I called an emergency Peace and Order Council meeting, considering na wala na yung police hindi na sumunod sa order ng local chief executive. I issued an order way back as early as June 1, Special Order HSO 054, directing the provincial director to suppress the disorder in the municipality of Bonifacio. Walang nangyari, hindi na-carry out. That's why, hinahanap nyo, wala ang police.
Yes,
kasi
you activated this ICS for that purpose.
Yeah, for that purpose only.
But there was no disaster involved.
Because under the provision of RE 101-21, the coverage of the ICS is not only disaster but also public
Man-made.
safety, all hazard, which include public safety, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, human-induced or man-made po.
Maghintay pag in-acknowledge ka, ha? Kuhaan ka muna.
Yes, sir.
At hintay ka kung i-acknowledge ka bago ka magsalita.
Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
Nag-uulat, what's new?